So you get to hear me be 3 people, because I was the only one that could travel. But this first, which I don't see yet, I feel this is my study. It's got some pharmacology in it. So I'm going to talk to you about improvement in drug concentrations after an adherence intervention when they're from the RETAIN study. So the RETAIN study, the title is up there, it's essentially a sub-study of a study called SUSTAIN. The other 2 abstracts I'll present are about SUSTAIN. When we've recruited 512 professed ARV naive, knowing that they're not all going to be ARV naive individuals in City of Cape Town clinics, and we're monitoring them very closely for adherence. What RETAIN does is when somebody is flagged for poor adherence, we explore paired drug concentration metrics before and after an adherence intervention. And so we're monitoring adherence in 3 different ways. We're using a pillbox to monitor some people who are monitored by dosing. So if they miss 4 consecutive doses, they would be flagged as, in 2-week period, as poor adherence. If they miss a clinic visit or are more than 30 days late for a clinic visit, or if they have a raised viral load, we flag those people for adherence. We have, of the 512 people, we took the first 180 that flagged, quite a lot of people flagged. And what we noted when we did objective measures is that those that were flagged for suboptimal adherence by any measure had low drug concentrations. So we could see that poor adherence was confirmed objectively. Despite self-reporting, which you can see in the table on the right, self-reporting 30-day dose recall was over 90%. We also saw that 27% of people had suboptimal plasma tenofovir at the time they came in with poor adherence, and 19% had no tenofovir in their urine. Our tenofovir diphosphate concentration at first visit was 632. And then this is just to look at the impact over time. And for the people with paired drug concentrations, we noted an increase in tenofovir diphosphate with the counseling and text message intervention to 887. So over the period of the intervention, adherence improved. And the proportion of people with viral suppression increased in that window as well. However, what I'm showing you there in that graph, the gray section in that Sankey diagram, are the people that didn't arrive for the second blood draw and intervention. So yet again, to say that retention is a big issue. Please come and see poster 18. I'll be circulating somewhere between the 3 posters. I think I'm going